Petrol prices have fallen to a 10-month low, but for the increasing number of drivers using premium fuels, it's to no advantage. A Special 9 News investigation has revealed the price gap between regular and premium fuels is growing and fattening the profits of the oil companies at the expense of Sydney motorists.
$12.90 a fill. That's the typical difference if you fill your tank with premium 98 fuel compared with E10.
If you are buying premium fuel because that's what's being marketed by the oil company and you don't need to use it, then you're ripping yourself off.
Problem is the price difference between the cheap and expensive fuel is getting wider.
By using E10 as opposed to premium fuels, you can save yourself hundreds of dollars every year at the Bowser.
5 years ago, the price gap between E10 and 98 fuels was 17.3 cents a litre. That's around $10.40 a fill. The gap's widened to 21.4 cents a litre as more motorists use the expensive fuel.
There is a reason why the oil companies are always advertising their premium products.
In the past 6 years, E10 fuel sales have dropped from 27.5% of total sales to 16.7%. At the same time, sales of premium fuel have increased from 23.6% to almost 29%.
If you're putting premium fuel into your car and you don't need to, you're wasting money. You may as well set it on fire.
The government promoted competition by forcing more price information on signboards and the Fuel Check website.
By using E10, you're getting the same result in the majority of circumstances, but you save a heap of money at the Bowser.
But at the pump, motorists have mixed views.
Without doing exacting tests on the car, you wouldn't know for sure. But, you know, in general day-to-day driving, it feels it runs better.
I certainly do see the E10 as being a much better price. I think it could be better.
In an era where everybody's trying to save money, the people would deliberately pay for a more expensive product. Well, that's unusual. But remember that number, $12.90 a fill. That's $670 a year. And if you do it, it's money that goes straight to the oil company's bottom line. Ross Greenwood, 9 News.